Yesterday's class, we are doing inverse Laplace transform by completing the square. That one we are doing. First thing, we need to express this denominator as whole square. So light is reflecting. Light. Wait, I will just switch off the light. Okay. First, we need to express this denominator as whole square. For that, I will take denominator. This is equal to yes and 36. You have to mute yourself. S square plus 2 into 2s, because you have to compare this with s a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, in place of a, s is there, so here we have to write 2. In place of a, 2, so this will be 4 plus 25. 29 you can write 4 plus 25. So this will become, so this will reduce us to s square plus 4s plus 29 reduces to s plus 2 whole square plus 25. Next, we need to express numerator also. We got denominator 2s minus 1. I told there should not be any number except 1 as coefficient in s. Therefore, take 2 common, s minus 1 by 2. What we have here? 2. So add 2, subtract 2. 2 into s plus 2 minus 2 minus half. Add 2, subtract 2. This will be 2 into s plus 2 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Now, this problem will reduce us to s square plus 4s plus 29 equal to this is equal to 2 into s plus 2 minus 5 by 2 whole divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 25. Now, replace this s plus 2 by s multiplying e power minus 2t. Multiply e power minus 2t, then replace s by s plus 2 by s minus 5 by 2 divided by s square plus 25. E power minus 2t. So multiply this 2 inside. L inverse of to L inverse of S by S square plus 25 minus L inverse of, if you multiply this inside, 5 by S square plus 25. E power minus 2t, L inverse of this is cos A square means 5 square, cos 5t minus L inverse of this is sin 5t. This is the answer. Understood? Next, understood this? I will explain this again because we did this problem in previous class also. 2s minus 1 divided by s square plus 4s by 29. First express this as whole square. For that, what we have to do? S square is there. We need to express in this form. A square plus 2ab plus b square form. So for this will become 2 into 2s plus we need 4. Why? What is the value of b? If you compare this term with this, a square is there. If you compare this and this, in place of b, you have 2. Therefore, b square means 2 square. Plus, to get 29, you should add 25. So this will be s plus 2 whole square plus 25. Next, take the denominator. You need to express this also in terms of s plus 2. For that, I told there should not be any coefficient except one in s or s square. Take 2 common. If you take 2 common, s minus of, add 2, subtract 2 because you need s plus 2. That's why add 2, subtract 2. If you take LCM in these two, you will get minus 5 by 2. Write 2s minus 1 as this and s square plus 4s plus 29 as this. Next, to apply Laplace inverse, replace s plus 2 by s by multiplying e power minus 2t because you have plus 2 here, you have to multiply minus 2t. If you replace s plus 2 by s, e power minus 2t will be multiplied and L inverse of this much you will get. Multiply 2 inside, this will be 2s. You can write 2 outside, s by all this thing minus 2 if you multiply inside, 5 by all this thing. So Laplace inverse of this is cos 2t, Laplace inverse of this is sin 2t. Okay, this is the answer. Next problem. S plus 2 divided by s square minus 4s plus 13. Try this problem. I will write the answer. Answer e power 2t cos 3t plus 4 sin 3t divided by 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. Try this. So we did up to here, we did Laplace inverse by completing the square method. Next, we'll go to next method, inverse Laplace transform by using partial fractions. This is important because many times they will ask partial fractions. You know partial fractions. I will just repeat f of x by ax plus b into cx plus d you have, then you will write capital A by ax plus b plus capital B by cx plus d. Or if we have fx divided by ax plus b whole square cx plus d, then we write a by ax plus b plus b by ax plus b whole square plus c by cx plus d. This is second one. So you know this. We did many problems on this partial fractions. Third one, f of x equal to, f of x by ax plus x square plus bx plus c dx square plus cx plus dx plus f is equal to ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c plus cx plus d divided by dx square plus ex plus f. These are partial fractions method. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are constant. We need to find out that. I will take one problem. Find, question will be like this. Find the inverse Laplace transform of the following. Find the inverse Laplace transform of the following. So first problem, 1 by s plus 2 into s plus 3. This is first problem, 1 by s plus 2 into s plus 3. First thing what we have to do, here we need to separate the denominator. When we will apply partial fraction, when we need to separate denominator, we will apply partial fractions. Okay, we need to separate denominators. I will write s plus 2. Those who forgot this Laplace partial fractions, listen carefully. 1 by s plus 2, you can write this as a by s plus 2 plus b by s plus 3. Take the LCM. I need to express this in form of this. To express this, what are the values I need to substitute? That one we need to find. So s plus 2 into s plus 3. Here a into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 2. Why? Taking LCM. Take LCM. A into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 2 divided by s plus 2 into s plus 3. 1 by s plus 2 s plus 3. This is equal to denominator will get cancelled. 1 into a into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 2. We need to make one term 0. For that, what we have to do? Put s equal to minus 3. Put s equal to minus 3. 1 equal to, this will become 0 because minus 3 plus d is 0, plus b into minus 3 plus 2. 1 equal to b into minus 1. B is equal to minus 1. Okay. Similarly, put s equal to minus 2. 1 equal to a into minus 2 plus 3 plus 0. This will be 1, a equal to 1. So values are a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. So what happens to this? 1 by s plus 2, s plus 3 will reduce us to, in place of a, write 1 by s plus 2, in place of b, minus. In place of b, minus 1 divided by 1 plus s plus 3. This is minus 1 by s plus 3. Now take Laplace inverse to both the sides. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 s plus 3 is equal to Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 minus Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 3. Tell me the answer. Laplace inverse of this. Tell me the answer for this. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2. Quickly, it is not that much difficult. Easy one only. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2. Yes, first one is correct. Only one student. Yes. Yes, only two of them. Yes, three of them give the correct answer. Only three of them. So e power minus 2t minus e power minus 3t. This is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 of them give the answer. This much simple question. You should try. Okay, you should try. To get correct answer or not, that is secondary. You should try. Okay, good. 5 of them answered correct. Give the correct answer. Next, we'll go to next problem. Second one, 1 by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3. 1 divided by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3. Tell me the answer for A, B, C, D. Try this. You have to try. By just listening, you won't get maths. You have to try. Tell me the answers for A, B, C, D. First thing is you can write this 1 by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3 as A by s plus B by s plus 1 plus C by s plus 2 plus D by s plus 3. Next, take the LCM. A into s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3 plus B into s plus, we'll keep it like this. So this will be easy. One by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3 is equal to A by s plus B by s plus 1 plus C by s plus 2 plus D by s plus 3. this is equal to A into, take LCM, S plus 1 into S plus 2 into S plus 3 plus B into S plus 2 into S plus 3 plus C into S plus 1 into S plus 3 plus D into S plus 1 into S plus 2 whole divided by S into S plus 1, S plus 2, S plus 3. Here 1 by S into S plus 1, S plus 2, S plus 3. This get cancels. Put S is equal to minus 1. No change in left hand side. No change in left hand side. In right hand side, this first term will be 0. Second term, B value. B value minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3. So 1 equal to B minus 1, 1, 2. B equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, put S equal to 0 we can put, right? 0 we can put S equal to 0. 1 equal to A into A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3. 6A. So A is equal to 1 by 6. Next, put S equal to minus 2. This will be 0, this will be 0. C, 1 equal to C into minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So C is equal to 1 by 2. C is 1 by 2. Next, put S equal to minus 3. This will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. 1 equal to D minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. D equal to minus 1 by 6. D equal to minus 1 by 6. Yes, correct. Okay, we got values. Now we'll go back to that question. L inverse of 1 by S into S plus 1, S plus 2, S plus 3 is equal to A value. What is A value? A value we got 1 by 6. 1 by 6 Laplace inverse of 1 by S plus B value we got minus. So minus 1 by 2 Laplace inverse of 1 by S plus 1. C value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 Laplace inverse of 1 by S plus 2. C D value minus 1 by 6 Laplace inverse of 1 by S plus 3. This is equal to 1 by 6. What is Laplace inverse of 1 by S? 1 minus 1 by 2 e power minus t plus 1 by 2 e power minus 2t minus 1 by 6 e power minus 3t. This is the answer. Understood? Next question. Third one. 4s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. This is the question. S plus 2 whole square s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. This is the question. First thing we need to find out ABC value means we need to separate denominator. 4s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2 is equal to a by s plus 1 whole square plus b by s plus 2. Is it correct? Is it correct? S plus 1 whole square only 3 of them are in the class. No, this is not correct. Since we have square, this is a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 1 whole square plus c by s plus 2. Now this is correct. 4s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. This is equal to, take the LCM, 4s plus 5, you can directly write a into s plus 1 plus b into s plus 2 plus c into s plus 1 whole square. You need not write and cancel out the denominator. You can write directly. Why it is not visible properly? The network. Is it visible properly? Is it visible? Okay, if it is visible means yes. Here this is s plus 2. A into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Sorry, I left that. A into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Put s equal to minus 1. Put s equal to minus 1. This will be 4 into minus 1 plus 5 is equal to, this will be 0 plus minus 1. This will be 0, 3 into 0. 4 minus 4 plus 5. That is 4 minus 4 plus 5 is 1. 3b, b is equal to 1 by 3. B equal to 1 by 3. B equal to 1 by 3. B equal to 1 by 3. Next, put s equal to minus 2. Put s equal to minus 2. B equal to 1 you are getting. Oh, sorry. minus 1 plus 2 is 1. B is 1 only. Sorry. I added. We need to subtract. B is 1. B is 1. Put S equal to minus 2. S equal to minus 2 means 4 into minus 2 plus 5 is equal to A into minus 2. So that will become 0. Plus this will also become 0. Plus C into minus 2 plus 1 whole square. Minus 8 plus 5 equal to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. C. C is equal to minus 3. C is minus 3. Then compare the coefficients. Comparing coefficients of S square. We don't have S square coefficient here. Then here in this I am telling. In which one? Keep this side by side. In this one, we don't have S square, so I have written 0. Next, here coefficient of S square is A plus coefficient of S square we don't have here in B, so 0 plus coefficient of S square is C. Okay, if you multiply this, you will get like this. A into S square, something like that you will get. So what is the coefficient here? A. That's why A plus 0 plus C. 0, what is the value of A? We don't know. Plus 0 minus 3. A equal to plus 3. A equal to plus 3. So what are the values? A equal to 3, B equal to 1, C is equal to minus 3. Now rewrite that 4s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square, s plus 2. L inverse of this equal to 1. 3 L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 b plus L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus minus 3 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. This is equal to 3 L inverse of this is e power minus t plus e power minus t L inverse of 1 by s square. Correct? Replace s plus 1 by s by multiplying exponential. Here plus 1 is there, here minus 1 will come. Okay, understood? Replace s plus 1 by s, multiply exponential. So what power? Minus 1 will come because plus 1 is there. Minus 3 e power minus 2t. 3 e power minus t plus e power minus t. So this one L inverse of 1 by s power n plus 1 is t power n by factorial by t power n. Okay, t power n by n factorial, that is t minus 3 e power minus 2t. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer for this problem. 3 e power minus t plus t e power minus t minus 3 e power minus 2t. Any doubt? Understood this? Next problem, if you have any doubts, you can ask. I'll write next problem so that you can try. If you have any doubt, then I will explain again. Fourth one, 5s plus 3 divided by s minus 1 s square plus 2s plus 5. Those who understood previous one, try this. Those who understood at previous problem, you can try this problem. 5s plus 3 divided by s minus 1 s square plus 2s plus 5. You can try this. For this, I will write the answer e power t plus e power minus t 3 by 2 sin 2t minus cos 2t. This is the answer. One more problem. 2s square minus 6s plus 5 divided by s cube minus 6s square plus 11s minus 6. So this is another problem. We try these two problems. First thing is you need to, this one you can, fourth one is given in. Fourth one, s square plus 2s plus 5. Is there any way to express this as whole square? No. No, you can't able to express this, or you can't factorize this. 5s plus 3 divided by s minus 1 s square plus 2s plus 5 s square plus 2s plus 5. This is equal to a by s minus 1 plus bs plus c divided by s square plus 2s plus 5. Like this you have to write. Okay, then find out ABC values. Next, for fifth one, 2s square minus 6s plus 5, numerator no change, don't worry about the numerator. S square minus 6s square plus 11s minus 6. Find out the roots using calci. If you find out the roots using calci, you will get 1 2 3. Roots for this is equal to 1 2 3 you will get. So you can write this as 2 square minus 6s plus 5 divided by s minus 1, s minus 2, s minus 3. Okay. So all this using calci you will get s equal to 1 2 3. Okay, you know how to solve in using calci. You will get this much. Then write this as s plus 1 plus b by s minus 1, s minus 2 plus c by s minus 3. Okay. So answer for this, answer 1 by 2 Laplace inverse of 1 by 2 Laplace inverse of Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 1 minus Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 2 plus 5 by 3 Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 3. This is the answer for this. Try these two problems. Answer your attendance. Just share the attendance sheet. Share. One. Yes, and one. Two.
Present, sir.
Three. Three present. Four.
Present, sir.
Five.
Present, sir.
Six.
Present.
Seven.
Present, sir.
Eight.
Present, sir.
Nine.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11. 11. 12.
Present, sir.
When you were there, you haven't answered, I think. 12. 13.
13 present, sir.
14. 14. Anagha. 15.
Present, sir. 15.
16.
16 present, sir.
17.
20 present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22.
22 present, sir.
23. 24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Sir.
26. Bhaghav.
Present, sir.
27. 27. 27 absent. 28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31.
31 present, sir.
32. Present. 33.
Present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
35.
Present, sir.
36.